Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through what is Shopify and how does it work. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So what is Shopify? Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you start, grow and manage a business. The subscription-based software allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Shopify store owners can also sell in physical locations using Shopify POS, our point of sale app, and accompanying hardware. How does Shopify work? Shopify works by unifying all your commerce into a single central command center. If you are a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock get synced so you can manage your stores from one account on any device. With Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, social media, online marketplaces, brick and mortar locations, and pop-up shops. Shopify also has features to manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you can access it from any connected compatible device and will handle software and server upgrades and maintenance for you. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.